Hello, today we're gonna replace a battery on this Dell laptop. The model is Inspiron 5770. Basically, to replace the battery we have to remove the back cover. The battery is, I think, on this side of the laptop. Basically we have to disconnect it and to put the new one. So let's start. We're gonna remove the optical drive first. We have two screws here which are missing. Probably someone opened the laptop before. The first four screws on the top, you can't remove them. They have some sort of plastic on inside, so we'll leave it like this. The rest of the screws are all the same size, so only the two screws on the optical drive are a little smaller, otherwise all the others are the same. Now we have to flip the laptop. Use something sharp in order to separate we forgot a screw. Nothing new. Now we just flip the laptop and all plastic should come off easy, like this. Since you already opened the laptop, you can replace the thermal paste, clean the fan. The battery is held on 4 screws, the same size again, and there is a short cable which is coming from the battery and it's connecting to the board. So we're gonna disconnect the cable. This is the new battery, which is pretty much the same. So we have to just separate the connector like this gently. It has some plastic clips on the side, so be careful not to break something. We're gonna plug back the cable and we're gonna reinstall it back. Now the only thing we have to do is just put all the screws back. Make sure you plug everything correctly. Now, in order to put the back cover, I first plug the right side where the USB and the HDMI port, because we have holes in here. Once they're in, just push like this. And basically that's the whole thing. Now is the boring part, where we have to put all the screws back. Wrong screw. Let's double check about the plastic. Yeah. Now let's see, is there any charge on the battery? Guess not. I'll plug the charger. Yeah, the battery is in excellent condition. It's recognized by the BIOS. It only needs to plug the charger in order to wake up the battery. So basically that's the whole procedure. I hope you like the video. Bye bye for now.